Welcome to our new IFRS Educational Fund Series. It is an initiative of OJ Education Limited. It is dedicated to providing complementary and supplementary education on International Financial Reporting Standards (IFRS) through a multiple choice question and answer approach. It is intended to make learning or intellectual assurance fun. In this session, we shall be considering 10 questions of set 1 to which the answers have been provided on IFRS 5. This is the standard or non-current assets held for sale and discontinued operations. Viewers or subscribers have 30 seconds to select or choose the answer to each question. The answers to the 10 questions are reviewed at the end of all the questions. Please enjoy it. Question number 1. The operations and cash flows that can be clearly distinguished operationally and for financial reporting purposes from the rest of the entity is called dash A. Discontinued operation. B. Cash generating unit. C. Component of an entity. D. Disposal group. E. Non-current assets held for sale. Time counts. Ten seconds gone. 20 seconds gone. Time up. Question number 2. Which of the following is not associated with a discontinued operation? A. Component of an entity held for sale. B. Component of an entity disposed of. C. Associate acquired exclusively with a view to resell. D. Separate major line of business to be disposed of. E. Part of a single coordinated plan to dispose of a separate major line of business. Time counts. 10 seconds gone. 20 seconds gone. Time up. Question number 3. The incremental cost directly attributable to the disposal of an asset, excluding finance costs and income tax expense, is called dash A. Cost to sell. B. Cost of disposal. C. Residual cost. D. Fair value. E. Value in use. Time counts. 10 seconds gone. 20 seconds gone. Time up. Question number 4. The hire of an asset fair value less cost to sell and value in use is referred to as dash A. Net realizable value. B. Breakup value. C. Residual value. D. Recoverable amount. E. Disposal value. Time counts. 10 seconds gone. 20 seconds gone. Time up. Question number 5. IFRS 5 does not deal with one of the following set of items. A. Non-current assets classified as held for sale. B. Non-current assets classified as held for distribution. C. Disposal group. D. Liabilities directly associated with assets in the disposal group. E. None of the above. Time counts. 10 seconds gone. 20 seconds gone. Time up. Question number 6. In financial statements, non-current assets to be abandoned are dash A, classified as disposal group, B, treated net of liabilities directly associated with assets in a disposal group, C, classified as held for sale, D, derecognized, E, left the way they are. Some counts. 10 seconds gone. 20 seconds gone. Time up. Non-current assets or disposal group are classified as held for sale if their carrying amount principal is to be dash A, abandoned, B, recovered through a sale, C, recovered through continuing use, D, recovered through netting arrangement, E, recovered through discontinued operation. Some counts. 10 seconds gone. 20 seconds gone. Time up. Question number 8. Non-current assets classified as held for distribution to owners are measured at the lower of their current amount and dash A, net realizable value, B, fair value less costs of disposal, C, fair value less costs to sell, D, fair value less costs to distribute, E, fair value. Time counts. 10 seconds gone. 20 seconds gone. Time up. Question number 9. Increase in the present value of costs to sell occasioned by the passage of time is recognized in profit or loss as dash A, finance cost, B, cost of sales, C, impairment, D, operating expense, E, valuation loss. Some counts. 10 seconds gone. 20 seconds gone. Time up. Question number 10. Which of the following holds for items contained in a disposal group classified as held for sale? A, amortization may be recognized. B, depreciation is recognized. C, subsequent interest attributable to liabilities in the disposal group is recognized. D, subsequent expenses attributable to the liabilities in the disposal group are not recognized. E, A and B above. Some counts. 10 seconds gone. 20 seconds gone. Time up. We proceed to review the answers. Question number 1. The answer to question number 1 is C, component of an entity. Component of an entity is defined as operations and cash flows that can be clearly distinguished, operational and for financial reporting purposes, from the rest of the entity. C is the answer to question number 1. Question number 2. The answer to question number 2 is C. Associate acquired exclusively with a view to resell. An associate does not meet the criteria of a component of an entity. The discontinued operation is a component of an entity that either has been disposed of or is classified as held for sale, and A. represents a separate major line of business or geographical area of operations. B. is part of a single coordinated plan to dispose of a separate major line of business or geographical area of operations. Or C. is a subsidiary acquired exclusively with a view to resell. C is the answer to question number 2. Question number 3. The answer to question number 3 is A. Costs to sell. Costs to sell are the incremental costs directly attributable to the disposal of an asset or a disposal group, excluding finance costs and tax expense. A is the answer to question number 3. Question number 4. The answer to question number 4 is D. Recoverable amount. Recoverable amount is the hire of an asset's fair value less cost to sell and its value in use. D is the answer to question number 4. Question number 5. The answer to question number 5 is E. None of the above. IFRS 5 non-current assets held for sale and discontinued operations deals with non-current assets classified as held for sale, non-current assets classified as held for distribution, and disposal group, which include liabilities directly associated with assets in a disposal group. E is the answer to question number 5. Question number 6. The answer to question number 6 is E. Left the way they are. Non-current assets that are to be abandoned are left the way they are in the financial statements until they meet the requirements to be classified as held for sale or the criteria for their recognition. Where non-current assets to be abandoned are part of a disposal group to be abandoned, which qualify as part of a discontinued operation, the results and cash flows are presented as part of discontinued operation at the date the non-current asset cease to be used. E is the answer to question number 6. Question number 7. The answer to question number 7 is B. Recovered through a sale. An entity classifies non-current assets or a disposal group as held for sale if the carrying amount to be recovered principally through a sale transaction rather than through continuing use. B is the answer to question number 7. Question number 8. The answer to question number 8 is D. Fair value less cost to distribute. Non-current assets or disposal group classified as held for distribution to owners are measured at the lower of the carrying amount and fair value less cost to distribute. D is the answer to question number 8. Question number 9. The answer to question number 9 is A. Finance cost. When the sale of a non-current asset classified as held for sale is expected to occur beyond 1 year, an entity measures the cost to sell at their present value. Any increase in the present value of the cost to sell that arises from the passage of time is presented in profit or loss as a finance or financing cost. A is the answer to question number 9. Question number 10. The answer to question number 10 is C. Subsequent interest attributable to the liabilities in the group are recognized. An entity does not depreciate or amortize a non-current asset while it is classified as held for sale or while it is part of the disposal group classified as held for sale. Interest and other expenses attributable to the liabilities of a disposal group classified as held for sale are continually recognized. C is the answer to question number 10. That is all for this set. Thank you for joining us for the set 1 of IFRS 5, non-current assets held for sale and discontinued operations. We invite you to subscribe to our channel, share our links, and invite those in your network to do the same. This will enable you and all other subscribers get direct notifications from future video uploads. We intend to cover all of the standards in this framework and create further sets of questions and answers on standards already covered. For collaboration in this area, please call or WhatsApp +2349 030 770109 All rights of this production and others in the service are reserved for OJ Inspiration Limited. Thank you once again and bye for now.